Hi everyone, um, I'm from Brazil, I'm in São Paulo, and I want to show you what kind of adhesion this ultra base provides. So it's my last try using raft, and it works with ABS. The adhesion is very poor, and they sell it is ready to use like plug and play, but the adhesion is not okay. So I sand it with a 300 sandpaper, expecting it gets more adhesion, and then the same problem trying to print big surface, and first layer looks okay but warps, and a lot of junks. So it's a waste of your money. Signs for the bad. It was hard to install, configure, draws the platform from Anycubic, draws a lot of amperes, a lot of currents from your ramp. So I had to install fan, and when we get everything running up and okay, it gets no adhesion. So to use this and have to use glue sticks and other things, it doesn't make sense. It's my experience. If you have good experience, please tell me. But with ABS, you are trashing your junk in your money.